This is my FJ Cruiser that I got my hands on, and I'm just gonna do like a walk around, let you know what I think about the truck overall, and maybe this helps you guys out with whatever you guys are looking for, or maybe you guys wanted some more information. So this is it. This is one of the earlier FJ Cruisers. It's a 2007. I got it in the blue. This is a 2-wheel drive truck. It's got aftermarket lights on it, aftermarket grille, aftermarket front bumper and bumper extension, and then it's got a roof rack on it with lights, and then these have been replaced by LED lights as well. And then it's got some black Rhino wheels, some rock sliders as well. So let me give you a look on the inside. This is a 2-wheel drive, but it does have a the diff lock on it. So that's the RR diff lock, so you can lock up the back wheels at least, even though it's not all-wheel drive. I would recommend, if you don't get a 4-wheel drive FJ Cruiser, that at least you get one with the rear diff lock. But overall, I think the 2-wheel drive is cool. I might end up buying a 4-wheel drive later, I'm not sure. This has a tow package on it, and it can tow up to about 5,000 pounds. It's custom wrapped on the bottom and the top, so usually these come in like white tops, but this is wrapped with black 3M. And then I'm not sure if these fenders come like that or if they've been painted black, but it's pretty cool. Got tinted windows, tinted visor. It's got the roof rack as well. It's got the rear ladder on it as well. Rear ladder. That's about it. Let's see what's in the back. Kicker wired up with, I think, an Alpine amp. That's about it. Some cool sound. Got the Apple CarPlay stereo with reverse camera. That's a must. Inside is a pretty cool truck. It's really roomy. A lot of room if you have people with you. I mean, it's only seating 5 people, but you got a lot of room for those 5 people. It's pretty comfortable, and it rides really smooth as well. But overall impressions of having this truck for 1 week, I would definitely recommend it. I prefer it over the 4Runner, and I probably prefer it over the Tacoma. If you don't really necessarily need a truck but you want something bigger, I would get this over the Tacoma, and I would get this over the 4Runner. The only thing that sucks is it doesn't have a 3rd row seat, so you could only fit 5 people. But it's a really cool truck to drive. It's really comfortable. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you're thinking about buying this truck, I would recommend it. Or if you already have one, or you're just wishing about getting one, I would save up the money and definitely buy this truck.